Thanks so much for tuning into Sam's Diecast here in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. Today we have a really cool 2000 Hot Wheels from the 2000 Mainline. It's the 70 Chevelle, also known as the 70 Chevelle SS on the wiki. So, this one comes in a metal flake gold. This version can come in a metal flake gold or a lime gold color. In 1999, when they first introduced this casting, it could come in a metal flake dark blue or a metal flake gold identical to this. And the blue one could have a pinstripe on this stripe here or without a pinstripe. And the gold one for 1999 could either have a black interior or a white interior. So, how do I know if this is a 2000 or a 1999 if I find one loose? Well, this one would have clear windows, and the 1999 would have the blue tinted windows. Got a little cracked bubble here. You can see this blister has been exposed to lots of UV radiation. Here's a look at the card. Very far from mint card. 70 Chevelle. Very cool casting. You can look at the back. The number is 270774. 107 for 2000. This is on old style card. You can read the back there. Spin by the world's coolest website. And you can see where it was made, 1999 copyright. This particular one, you can see it's made in China. Alright, let's get this out of the packaging. Nice little clean open there. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Man, this has some weight to it. It actually, now that I look at it, I think this is the lime gold variation. I'm not very sure. It's hard to pick it up. But this has some nice weight to it, even though the bottom looks to be plastic. Loose axles. Still a good looking car. Loving the black stripe around that. There's the front end with the headlights. Got some 5-spoke wheels on this. Just a nice look at it right there. Black interior. 2-door. Metal flake gold. Well, what a sweet casting this is. Yeah, nice look at that. That's a nice look at it right there. Here's the plastic base. It's chrome. Made in China, 1998 copyright. 1970 Chevelle SS, as you can see right there. Nice look at the details. It's a great looking car nonetheless. Great looking muscle car. Thanks so much for tuning into this video. And please subscribe for more. I could really use the support. I love you all.